Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make my apricot and custard Danish, and I'm using store-bought puff pastry. It's in the fridge right now, but the rest of the ingredient is right here, which is some whole milk, sugar, cornstarch or corn flour, and this is just plain flour or all-purpose flour, butter, unsalted, vanilla extract, a can of apricot in a light syrup, pinch of salt, and egg. First thing I'm gonna do is take you to the stove and we're gonna start making the pastry cream, and then we're gonna move to the next step. I'm gonna add the milk in the saucepan as it is cold. Didn't turn the stove on yet. And I'm gonna add the cornstarch and the plain flour. We are going to mix until there's no lumps. Add vanilla extract, just eyeballing 1 teaspoon. Sugar, keep stirring. Just a pinch of salt, just to bring the flavor. Now mix. Now I have already turned my heat over medium-low, and now we're just gonna keep stirring. The mixture is started to boil. Okay, now this is the eggs that I have beat already, and to that I'm just gonna take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the milk mixture. Give it a mix, and right away add to your custard and stir quickly. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, mix, and the mixture is getting thicker. Keep stirring. Okay, the heat is off. I have removed the custard from the heat, and keep stirring for like a minute or so, just so the mixture, you can see now how creamy is a texture. It is not watery, not liquidy. For this custard, for this Danish pastry, this is what we need, this kind of creamy, thick creamy custard consistency. And now this mixture has to stay cool. And now it's time to make the puff pastry. So I got a store-bought puff pastry. You can make your own. It takes like a lot of time to make. I just prefer to buy it. It's so easy and quick. So put lots of dry flour on your working area, and then we're just gonna start rolling the puff pastry. Again, more flour, and now we're gonna start rolling it. And I'm gonna cut this into 3 equal sizes. Now you can make your own shape, what you like. I'm just gonna keep it simple. Okay, put this here, and now you can preheat your oven 425 Fahrenheit. Just make it easy, straight. And I'm gonna cut this as well. And now I'm just folding all around this piece, just like that, just to create a barrier so the custard can stay in, because I want to be able to see the apricot. Just like that. And then pastry cream, and then depending on the size of your Danish, you can just add your 1 or 2 apricot. And I'm gonna place this on my baking tray right here, which is lined with parchment, and just leave space apart because they are going to be puffy. And now I'm gonna brush the edges of the Danish with an egg wash, which is just 1 egg beat with a little bit of water or milk. And you can see some of them I have had 2 of the apricot, because I see that I have extra leftover, too many left from the can, and also there is enough room. So now my oven is already preheated and I'm gonna go put this to bake, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like when it's done. Okay guys, my puff pastry took 25 minutes and it is nice and golden on the edges. And now this is what I have here. It is just 1 tablespoon of sugar mixed with 1 tablespoon of hot water, like hot boiling water, and just let it dissolve. And then you're gonna just brush your pastry, your Danish, all over, and that way you will see the difference when you eat your Danish. You're gonna know when you make it yourself. I really want to break one and show you, and you can hear the crispiness. And I would just want to show you the custard inside and how I can't wait. Oh my goodness, just have a cup of tea, have a cup of coffee, and your Danish. You don't have to go buy in the store, just make it fresh yourself. Written ingredient for this recipe will be down below in the discussion box. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.